the address here?
Oh, 3012 East, or Furman Avenue East.
We're at 3012 East Furman Avenue, Seattle, Washington, going in from interior clean out in unfinished basement area. You'll see pipe condition is pretty aggregate across the bottom. Seems like we went from concrete to cast. Make the transition. Coming up on a belly that runs about 4-ish feet. And we're at the end of the line, pretty big offset. I'm not sure if that's the end of the tie-in. So we would need project manager out to locate where this is. And I'll start pull back. It might completely be deteriorating right there. That's why it starts the belly. Whenever it has that canal, that means that that pipe is just starting to go. Yeah, it's worn out. There might be no bottom right there.